In this video, I'm gonna show you a viral YouTube formula that got 100,000 views in just 7 days. This exact format helped me pull over 5,000 views in less than a month without showing my face and using only free tools. I'm not just sharing theory, I'm showing you what actually works right now, using this exact strategy. And you can steal it to get more views, subscribers, and ultimately make more money on YouTube. This is a faceless channel, and even with just a handful of videos using this format, I've already crossed 5,000 views in less than a month, all using free tools and zero on-camera presence. It doesn't matter what niche you're in or what your face looks like, you can steal this formula and get results. So let me break it down for you. The first part of the video is the hook. You need to get people to stop in the first 3 seconds. So for this video, I did a little bit of research and I found out that 83% of people who watch these types of videos are not subscribed. So I decided to use that stat in my hook. I said 83% of people watching this type of content aren't subscribed. And then I paused for a second and I said, but you probably are thinking what the hook is about. That little pause makes people curious. They have to know what they're probably thinking. So then I get into the curiosity part where I say, you probably are thinking this video is about how to get views on YouTube or how to get subscribers on YouTube, but it's not. People love to be curious. They love to feel like they know something that others don't. So by building in this curiosity, I've already got them hooked. Next, we do the list. We give them the actual information that they came for. So I go through 6 different ways that you can get more views on YouTube without showing your face. And I go through each one of those briefly, giving you an example for each one. And then finally, at the end, I give them a call to action. I tell them what I want them to do. In this case, I want them to subscribe so that I can help them make more money on YouTube. Now here's the thing, you could do this exact formula and get a ton of views. But if you want to get more views, more subscribers, and ultimately make more money on YouTube, you need to do 2 things. 1, make sure you're uploading videos to a highly competitive niche. If you want to get more views, you need more competition. More competition means more views. Take a look at this. All of these videos in the top 10 are in a highly competitive niche. If you want to get more views, you need to find a way to put your own spin on these videos and make them even better. That's how you stand out. That's how you get more views, more subscribers, and ultimately make more money on YouTube. The second thing you need to do is make sure you're adding a call to action to every single video you upload. A call to action is the most important part of any video. Without it, you're just making videos for the YouTube algorithm. With it, you're actually making videos for people. And when people take that call to action and do what you ask them to do, in this case, subscribe, you're gonna get more subscribers, you're gonna get more views, and you're ultimately gonna make more money on YouTube. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to Ink by Khan Studio. And I'm gonna see you in the next video where I'm gonna show you exactly how to create a thumbnail that gets more clicks.